Hi students, let us go to the next chapter. Be a good listener. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. Are you a good listener? You can find it out with the help of the following questions. Means in order to find out whether you are a good listener, you have to ask some questions yourself and try to find out the answer. Number 1. When you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? That means when teachers are teaching, whether you look at the teacher or whether you turn your head away or toy with something else playing yourself. Good listener, look at the speaker. 2. Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? That means when teachers are teaching, do you pay attention? Do you listen attentively? That is very important. That means second point is good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. They don't look at here, there, somewhere else, etc. They listen attentively. That means good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. 3. Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? That means when you don't understand, means sometimes what happens, you don't understand whatever the speaker says. Sometimes some difficult words may be there. Sometimes you may not listen carefully. During such time, at that time, what should be done? Here are some tips. If you hear some new or unfamiliar words, that means hard words, try to guess their meaning from the context. When someone or the speaker or the teacher, for example, says something, that means when there are difficult words, try to guess the meaning. Don't ignore it. See here, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. Means try to guess what will happen next or what's the speaker going to tell next. Try to keep listening. Even if you don't understand, try to keep listening. Even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker or even when you disagree with the speaker. That means sometimes we don't understand what the speaker is saying. Or all things cannot be understood. Maybe some difficulties. At such time, even when you disagree with the speaker, wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Then you can get your doubts clarified, asking polite questions. That means don't keep doubts yourself. Ask your doubts to your teacher. That's more important. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Don't feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Put your questions to the speaker politely. For that purpose, you can raise your hands. Then you can stand up and you can ask questions. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. That means when teaching is going on or when teacher explains, for example, that time you have to note down some important points. If you note down some important points, then you will be able to recall it next or understand better. Lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. Means you can think over it afterwards. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later. Sometimes at such particular time you will not understand. Afterwards, if you think it or search somewhere else, you will be able to understand. These are some important tips to become a good listener.